Toby's the cheeky one.
James is strange but lots of fun.
Percy pulls the mail on time.
Gordon ponders down the line.
Henry really knows his stuff.
Henry shoots and has the puffs. Edward wants to help and share.
Toby, well, let's say he's square.